we will start with Michal and Lords Villeins.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
So, last week there have been very fruitful playtesting. I've iterated on the feedback. I've added a bunch of things, fixed a bunch of other existing things. And so I want to show you what I've done. So, I've reworked the first thing you can see. I reworked the tutorial. So you enter your name, and now you are in this new screen, which is sectioned to chapters, so you can go through each of them as you see fit. There are multiple pages to all of them. I tried to make it as interactive as possible and designed it in a way that you're not supposed to read it at once in the beginning of the game, because it's a complicated game. In fact, it's almost the first sentence you're going to see, that you're not supposed to read it all at once. So I've designed it with the mindset that you're going to be going back to this screen every time you get stuck. So I want you to, as soon as possible, to find the page that you're looking for in order to get you unstuck. Ideally, I would have an interactive tutorial, but that's the music of the future. Right now I have this screen. And this is also, I spend a lot of time just creating this as much visual and illustrated as possible. So now you enter the game, and there is a new thing as well. You get these sets of goals that are guiding you through the game. So the idea is you're going to go slowly through them, and again, when you get stuck, you open the tutorial, and it's going from top to bottom somewhat. So you should be slowly going. Using these two things, you should be able to learn the game fairly quickly and easily. So let's just see how the goal works. You set up 3 zones and a farm, some forest, and also a fishing pool. And we start slowly completing all of these goals. We've completed 1. Now we complete assigning the farmland. And we also complete the forest. And now we also complete the houses. This is just the start of the game, where you're supposed to look around, learn how everything works, what is the UI for, and sections of the game, how are they working. And once you figure this out, you're going to complete the quests, and we have a new set of goals. And there is about 8 chapters that you go through, and you learn everything. So that's how it works now. Another thing that I've added is that under each of the zones, there are the list of the zone structures that you should build in that zone. And previously you would have to go here and find whatever you are looking for. And now you just click on the zone and you click the build button and you're building that thing. And you can even do it holding the tab. You select the thing, you release the tab, and you're building again. So it's super smooth right now and really feels good to play. And I've also reworked a lot of the UI so that now, especially within the zones, you get much more information. Like you can see what kind of resources the masonry is consuming and what kind of resources it can produce. So from this, you are able to kind of understand and learn the chain of production that is in the game. I've also added a list of all the resources here that the game is currently using. And you can also hover over the icons here to see the name of the resource that you currently have. And I think that's most of the changes, if not all. A bunch of bug fixes as well, of course, but this should be the demo. I will be finalizing it tomorrow, fix all of the bugs that are still there, and send it out to people in the house for another round of testing. And I will keep working on the save game mechanic and main menu, which is the last 2 things that I'm missing in order to be able to release the demo to public. Right now, I am aiming for next Thursday, but I still need to set up Steam page and Patreon and all that kind of stuff. So I'm having my hopes that I will be able to do it in a week, but can't confirm anything yet. But hopefully in a week we will have a release party of the demo. Right, that's it for me. Thank you.
Are there any questions?
Is this demo like the one that will go out? You think
Yes.
it's ready?
Yes.
Nice.
This is like the only thing that's not there is ability to save the game, but everything else is implemented now. Thank you very much.